Friday Workshop!
What is Friday Workshop?
Friday Workshop's Big Things, Billy Things, what we're doing in the workshop.
What are we doing this week?
This week we're making coasters!
Coasters!
Yeah!
Yeah, so we've got a wedding that we're making coasters for, and we printed off everything for the coasters, and then we made a bunch of coasters.
Yeah.
And so the laser part and the staining and the finishing part we have for this video.
Yeah, looks out pretty cool, and without further ado, here we go!
Hundreds of coasters!
Yeah!
Hey,
We're getting to the end of the coasters.
we are getting to the end of the coasters. We've done so many of these. It's just insane how many there are. Oh man.
So many more to go.
Yeah.
Well, that is a lot of coasters. What do you think,
A
Tom?
lot of coasters. What was it, 100?
It was a lot.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Dang. All right, so now we're gonna spray lacquer on top. We'll probably do a few coats of this. Yeah. Hey, kid, what are you doing?
I am using this 4/0 steel wool to sand down these coasters, get them all smooth and make it so they look pretty and feel nice.
Yeah, there's a lot of them to do.
This is gonna take a while, a long while.
All right, so we've got some beeswax right here and 4/0 steel wool. We're gonna put these on the coasters. Oh yeah, gonna make them buff them out, make them look all pretty. Yeah.
100 more to go, Dom.
Yeah, there is 100 more to go. This is gonna take a while.
Yeah.
Now that we have the beeswax on there for a little while, we're gonna wipe them off with a rag. Yeah.
100 more to go, Dom.
There are so many of these.
We're wiping them off now.
One by one.
One by one.
Friday Workshop.
And that's how we made these coasters.
I think they turned out beautiful.
Yeah, we gave away so many coasters.
What was it,
for the wedding.
100 or something?
It was
yeah,
it was a ton.
Crazy.
I
I lost track.
It was literally a ton of coasters. And so, yeah, that's how we kind of made these coasters. They're beautiful. They're water resistant. I hope everybody enjoys them.
Yeah, they turned out awesome. How big was that cardboard, by the way? That filled up the entire thing. That was crazy.
It was a big garage full of cardboard for sure. Yeah, so that's how we batch made a bunch of coasters.
Yep. And if you like videos like these, check out this one.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah.